This one over Mick here, just towing away native apple gum that had to cut down for the fire areas around our shed and that. So I'm just going to spin around as I'm towing it. Just tow it second gear, low range, the intermediate box. Two ranges. So just cut it up into a couple of pieces. There it is there. It's a reasonable size. One piece will probably drop off. I'm just towing it down into the bush. Better spot for it to burn down the track when the bush finally catches on fire. Finally do a burn. Won't be this year, that's for sure. Don't know when it'll be. We've got to get it all as safe as we can around this little shed. It's the last thing we want to see burnt down. Fires do come. It's going to be pretty wild. There, I'll probably pull that dead one out too. On this old tractor in the last week. Just thinning out a lot of this little stuff in here and these little wattles, you can see. A lot of dead stuff. I'll switch this off and I'll just show you when I unhook down in the bush.